Good morning, guys. Today is day one of the Fat Burn Blitz, which means if you don't already know, I am going to be eating predominantly foods from the leanest category, same with veggies, barely any condiments, and just having a lot of shakes and soups and feelings that we can add water to get our extra water in for the day. So I'm starting my day off with the Mocha Blast shake. So excited to do this. I hope I can do this. We'll find out if I can. So Mocha Blast shake, water and ice only, no peanut butter, no adding anything, no condiments. Here we go. Fat Burn Blitz has officially started. Are you doing this? Let me know. Put it in the comment. I have such a busy day today for work, so I'm going to get on my laptop now, start my day, but I will see you at fueling number 2. I wonder what it's going to be. Maybe soup, maybe another shake. We'll see. See you in a little bit. Oh my God, we just had a power outage here, and all I could think of was, here we go, because we were one of the only streets, well, 4 streets in my area that had power through the hurricane. And I'm on the computer talking to my boss on a Zoom call, and the power went out. So I hope my boss doesn't think I just hung up on her. So anywho, the power just came back on, and still busy at work, but it's time for fueling number 2. And sticking with this Fat Burn Blitz, I have made the tomato herb pasta. Yes, tomato herb pasta on a very hot day here in Jersey, 95 degrees. So the shake went down really well. My hunger is at bay right now. Aunt Flo made her arrival. And when I weighed myself this morning, I was up a full pound. Clearly that is because of my cycle, which is actually pretty good because normally when I do get my period, I can be up like 3-4 pounds. So the fact that it only went up 1 pound tells me I'm at a decrease in my weight, which is awesome. Weigh-in is Wednesday, so we'll see what happens. By then I'll be on my 3rd day of the Blitz with 2 down. So let's see, but this Fat Burn Blitz is so exciting. So yeah, so I have everything planned out. Tonight, I think I'm gonna be making shrimp. And I don't know if it's gonna be on top of a salad or what, but I'm excited. This is fun. I love competing. I'm very competitive by nature in my job also. So this, I'm having fun with it. Something different, something exciting. Sometimes we need to kick up what we're doing on the daily to make it exciting, right? So how are you guys doing so far today? Those of you who have joined in on this, let me know. And I will enjoy my tomato herb pasta right now. So good. And I'll see you at the next fueling. See you later, Gator. Okay, we're at fueling number 3, and it's a chocolate shake. This is the only thing in here is water, ice, and the shake. So Fat Burn Blitz is going really well. For some strange reason, I'm not hungry. I'm not even looking for the additional peanut butter, whipped cream like I normally do. So I'm enjoying today so far, but we're only halfway through. My next fueling will be lean and green, and then I'll have 2 more fuelings after that. And the day is moving fairly quickly. It's been a heavy work day today, guys. That's why I'm really not dressed and out and about. I'm literally sitting at home on my computer doing calls, doing things with my patients and such and such. So I'm still home, help me. But like I said, it's going really well. I'm enjoying this, and I'm so curious to know how many of you are doing this along with me. Today's shake did not come out as thick as I normally would have it, but it's still thick enough. And that's the scoop. So I also want to let you know I have been frequenting the bathroom. So some water weight is coming off, which is nice because like I said earlier, Aunt Flo is here. So let's get rid of the bloat. Although I don't really feel bloated. I don't know. It's very strange. I think this is just new and exciting, and I'm loving seeing if I can do this. So in a little while, I will get on the elliptical and burn my 500 calories and move on from there. I'll see you at Lean and Green. All right, guys, time for Lean and Green. Here it is. We got 7 ounces of shrimp, some asparagus, and I know that these peppers are not technically the lowest carb, but that's what I have. So I'm doing the best I can today. No added anything to this. There's no butter. Just some shrimp and asparagus and one little mini pepper cut up. So there's Lean and Green for you. I would love to put a little bit of butter on here, but I'm not really sure if we're supposed to have fat or not on the Blitz. I know under normal circumstances I'm going to allow myself 2 fats, but today I'm not. So here it is, Lean and Green going down. Oh yeah, fueling number 5. Here it is. Okie dokie, and I'm so excited because this is what we're having. Frosty Mint chocolate soft serve, which is basically a mint chocolate ice cream. Seriously, looks so good. All right, I'm gonna take a bite on camera and I'm gonna show you. That looks like ice cream, right? Okay. Chocolate mint ice cream. If you guys have never tried the soft serve before, it's so good. And if it wasn't during the Fat Burn Blitz, I would totally add whipped cream, walnuts, and some Walden Farms syrup on top. But we're doing the Blitz. Let me show you what it looks like coming out of the bowl. All right, look at this. This is chocolate ice cream, or like frozen yogurt. It's starting to melt a little because it's been out for a few minutes while I'm trying to get the camera and stuff ready. I had to answer the door. But when this was just a little bit more solid, it's ice cream. All right, let me switch the camera back around. So we'll take another bite. Here it is. Please order this. Again, I'm not a salesperson. I'm not a health coach anymore. But if you want something delicious, something new, like an ice cream, this would be the one to get. The mint chocolate soft serve. I can't stop saying it. And while it's still summer, this is a treat. It's a treat. I forgot I had it. Who knew? But perfect as I'm looking through my pouches for the Blitz. Okay. I'm going to eat this. Let me know below if you've ever had it before. I'm curious to know how many of you have tried it. See you at the next fueling. Hey guys, so we are at the last fueling of the day, and I am so sorry, but I forgot to record it. Jesse came home from work, and I was so happy to see him because he was gone for hours. But guess what? I made another one of those ice creams. And here's my empty pouch. That was so delicious. You have to try it. Same fueling I just had. So good. But honestly, it could totally rock the sugar-free whipped cream and the almonds. So, or the walnuts rather. So don't think that next week I'm not having that. But anyway, tonight I will be placing my next order. And yeah, how did you guys do on the Blitz? It was very interesting, wasn't it? Starting to feel a little hungry though. But I'm going to chug some water and hopefully get over that hump. We're going to go watch some Netflix and hope you all have a wonderful night. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the Fat Burn Blitz. Bye guys.